Guys, welcome to my channel. So today is a Pamper day and it's going to be an affordable one. So let's get started. So I'm starting my routine from washing my hair. For the shampoo, I'm using L'Oreal Absolute Repair because this really cleans my hair and make my hair really soft and shiny. And this is the best hair shampoo for all the chemically treated hair. Now I'm using this plum hair mask for my hair, and this is actually the best hair mask for the chemically treated hair. This really gives you soft and very shiny end results, so do try this. Now for the body, I'm using this Dove body wash because obviously this make my skin really soft. For shaving, I'm using this charcoal shaving foam. This is the best shaving cream I have found, and literally my razors just glide from my body and literally no itching after shaving. After shaving, I'm using this DIY body scrub to remove all dead skins and tan from my body, and obviously for the smoother skin. After shower, I like to use body oil with body moisturizer because it gives you a hydrating skin and moisturized and supple skin which you love to touch every time. For my face, I'm using Foxtail face wash because it literally gives my skin a hydration and protect my skin barrier, as well as increase my moisture level in my face after washing it. I also use some time as a double cleanser after removing my makeup because it literally wash my makeup with one wash, so you can try this brand. Now I'm using this aloe gel and this razor to shave my face, so I'm putting on aloe vera all over my face. And now I'm shaving my forehead because I have a little hair on my forehead and on my upper lip, so I like to shave by myself. I don't like to go on a parlor for the threading as well because I have literally a very sensitive skin, so I like to do my eyebrows by myself. For the face mask, I'm using this Dead Sea face pack. This enhances the skin elasticity and help to minimize fine lines along with rejuvenate your skin and gives you really plump skin. You can also use Wild Organic Dead Sea face pack to get the same results. Now for the face, I like to use hyaluronic serum with rose water so that all the water can lock in my skin and give my skin a good hydration. And last, now for the moisturizer, I like to use Foxtail again because this brand literally has given me a good result on my face. And last, I'm using this hair serum, and this is the best hair serum by L'Oreal, and it literally give you no frizz hair and really manageable hair. You will love your hair after using this serum. Earlier I used to like Live On hair serum, so you can also try that. And that's it for the day. Bye.